Hi everyone! Sea Animals Episode 1. Whale, WHALE. Whales are the giants of the ocean. They live in all oceans and love deep, wide waters. Whales eat tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. They breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads. Whales have smooth, thick skin and are usually gray, blue, or black. Dolphin, DOLPHIN. Dolphins are playful and super smart. They live in oceans and sometimes rivers. They eat fish and squid. Dolphins have smooth, gray skin and love to jump and swim in groups called pods. Octopus, OCTOPUS. Octopuses live on the ocean floor in rocks and coral. They eat crabs and small fish. With 8 long arms and no bones, they can squeeze into small spaces. Their soft skin changes color to hide from danger. Shark, SHARK. Sharks are strong predators of the sea. They live in warm and cold oceans. Most sharks eat fish and other sea animals. They have rough, sandpaper-like skin and very sharp teeth. Don't worry, not all sharks are dangerous. Starfish, STARFISH. Starfish live on the ocean floor and love coral reefs. They eat small clams and oysters. They have 5 arms, sometimes more, and rough, bumpy skin. Starfish can even regrow lost arms. Sea turtle, SEATURTLE. Sea turtles are peaceful swimmers found in warm seas. They love eating jellyfish, seaweed, and crabs. They have hard shells on their backs and flippers for swimming. Some can live over 50 years. Jellyfish, JELLYFISH. Jellyfish float like jelly umbrellas in the ocean. They eat small fish and plankton. They have soft, see-through bodies with stinging tentacles. Be careful, they may look pretty but can sting. Seal, SEAL. Seals live near cold ocean waters and icy places. They eat fish and squid. They have furry, round bodies and flippers to swim. On land, they move slowly but in water, they are fast. Crab, CRAB. Crabs scuttle across the sand near the beach and rocky shores. They eat plants, fish, and tiny animals. Crabs have hard shells, 2 big claws, and walk sideways. Clownfish, CLOWNFISH. Clownfish live in warm coral reefs, often inside sea anemones. They eat plankton and algae. These small, orange and white striped fish are great swimmers and love their homes. Seahorse, SEAHORSE. Seahorses live in calm, warm waters and hide in sea plants. They eat tiny shrimp and plankton. They have long tails and bumpy bodies, and guess what? The dads carry the babies. Stingray, STNGIY. Stingrays glide on the ocean floor like flying carpets. They eat shellfish and small fish. Their bodies are flat and smooth, with a long tail that can sting. Most are gentle and less scared. Eel, EL. Eels live in rocky places deep under the sea. They eat fish and crabs. Their bodies are long and slippery like snakes, but they are fish. Squid, SQUID. Squids swim fast with their tentacles and jet-like bodies. They eat fish and shrimp. Their soft bodies can squirt ink to escape danger. Blue tang, BLUETANG. Blue tangs are bright blue fish that live in coral reefs. They eat algae. They are smooth and fast swimmers. You might know one named Dory from a famous movie. Murray eel, M-O-I-Y-E-L. Murray eels live in crevices of coral reefs. They eat fish and crustaceans. They look scary with sharp teeth and slippery, snake-like bodies, but they usually hide. Orca, O-R-C-A. Also called killer whales, orcas live in cold and warm oceans. They eat fish, seals, and even whales. Their black and white skin makes them easy to spot. Orcas are smart and swim in pods. Anglerfish, A-N-G-L-E-O-F-I-S-H. Anglerfish live deep in the dark ocean. They eat fish and crustaceans. They have big mouths and a glowing lure on their heads to catch prey. Manatee, M-A-N-A-T-E. Manatees are gentle giants that live in warm, shallow waters. They eat sea plants. They have round, soft bodies and paddle-like tails. People call them sea cows. Coral, C-O-I-L. Corals look like colorful rocks but are made of tiny animals. They live in warm, shallow oceans. Coral reefs are homes to many sea creatures. They come in many shapes and colors. Great job, everyone! You've just learned the names of 20 amazing sea animals in English. Wasn't that fun? The ocean is full of wonders, and there's so much more to explore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more animals in our next episodes. See you next time for episode 2 with even more sea creatures. Bye bye, little explorers.